We're gonna learn how to create transparent text using only Canva. So first thing what you're gonna do, let's imagine we're creating YouTube thumbnail. We open the templates and let's start from scratch, from blank. So first thing we wanna do, we're gonna add some text. So for this purpose, we're gonna add a heading and we're gonna type in. All right, we're gonna expand a little bit text, so it's a little bit bigger. We're gonna align it, center it. We're gonna select font. We're gonna select Poppins. We go to effects, select this one, change color to white. And if it's not enough for you with shadow, you can always press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and align those two pictures. And you can do it multiple times, so it gets darker and darker. So what you want to do now, you're gonna press share, download it, transparent background. Now the fun parts begin. We're gonna delete this text. We're gonna go to elements, select some pictures. We're gonna upload the image we just downloaded and we're gonna insert it. Now we're gonna make the same size the picture and the text. As you can see, those two lines, so it's aligned now. We're gonna align here. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to apps and we're gonna type in blend image. We're gonna press it. We're gonna, for the bottom layer, we're gonna select the picture, and for the text, like this, we're gonna add design. So in the end, we have picture like this, and we're gonna do it one more time. So you can see it's really easy to do it. Again, we're gonna select from uploads the picture. We're gonna make same size. We're gonna go to apps, type in blend image, clear selection for the previous one, and choose file, sorry. We're gonna select image, and we're gonna add the design. As you can see, we create a transparent text effect in Canva. It's really easy and simple to do. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my content and like my video.